Hello, crazy and wonderful world of YouTube. My name is Kozani Ulysses, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the skipping in your audio in Linux. It's done it to me on Debian, it's done it to me on Arch, and it's done it to me on Ubuntu. So I don't know why the skipping in the audio does this, or I don't know why the Ubuntu system skips like this when you play media. But the workaround that I have got is to go into the daemon.conf file for Pulse and change something in there. So first, I'm going to apologize about the clarity of my audio. I'm using a Rock Band mic right now because my Omni mic is plugged into another computer, and I'm doing another tutorial with that Omni mic, so I have to use my half-ass Rock Band mic. So what we're going to do is just, I can't show you the error, unfortunately, because for one, copyright law, I don't want to put somebody else's music in my video, and for two, it's hard to get the error to come up, automatically. So I can't listen to a whole album worth of music just to show you the skipping in the audio. So I'm just going to show you the solution that I have for you. Okay, so I'm going to become root. And I'm going to go ahead and nano into etc pulse daemon.conf. I'm going to scroll down, and I'm looking for real-time scheduling, okay? And I'm going to remove this semicolon, and I'm going to put this to no. And that's it. Control X, Y, enter. And then as an unprivileged user, I'm just going to go ahead and kill Pulse Audio. Now make sure you're unprivileged, because for some reason root can't do this. Okay, and that's it. You should be able to load back. Once you load up your media again, Pulse Audio should automatically run and start back up, and you should no longer have that skipping in your audio. Now this works for me. I don't know if your problem is due to this, but this is my workaround for my problem, and hopefully it helps you guys. So if you like the video, subscribe, and maybe I'll have more for you. This is Kozani Ulysses. Thanks for watching.